Hey, we're out here today at one of our many HVAC installations, and I'm here to remind you about some of the common signs that your HVAC unit may be ready to be replaced. One of the most common symptoms that indicates it's time to replace your HVAC unit is that the unit seems to be running non-stop, but the home never gets to that ideal temperature. Another common symptom we see is when your electric bill seems to be increasing faster than normal. That is a major time to replace that unit. Another major symptom of a unit that needs to go is just the visible wear and tear. A lot of these units are 15 to 20 years old and based on an outdated technology, which actually makes them even more expensive than normal to repair. So if you noticed one or more of these things that I mentioned is relevant at your house, it may be time to talk to an HVAC expert at Attyx. So reach out, we'll connect you with someone who knows what they're doing and can connect your issue to a solution that you'll be happy with. As an added benefit, many of our customers choose to bundle the replacement of their HVAC system with rooftop solar. By doing this, we can replace and virtually eliminate your utility bill and put everything into one low fixed monthly price that's easy to afford.